Oh, there we go. All right. So back to REP. This is what I'm seeing with it too. This should help give some confidence in the trade with what's going on with it. What I see with it real quick is hmm, okay, wait a second. So this is the downtrend situation right here. We both know that. And I'm looking at, oh, all right. Now check this out. You have right here, you have right here, I'll point it to you. We're going to use the arrows in terms of downtrend, all right, and uptrend. Red arrows is going to represent the downtrend. Green arrows is going to represent the up. Red arrow is going to represent down. Green will represent the up. We got a high. We got this is resistance right here. We've been talking about this right now, and this is resistance right here that we both know of. Like this area right here, you can see how many times it was hit with the candles. Like all these candles right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot of resistance around that 5,500 area. Many weeks of resistance, tested it, dropped it, comes back around. How low did it drop it? All the way to one. So it dropped it about 200%. And then it tested it again, and this time it drops it. Hold on. This time it drops it only 73%. And then test it again, and this time it breaks. One touch, and then you got the other touch right there. It breaks, and that drops to the total of 500 and something percent. All right, no issues. And then it does one last touch right there. So we got green. Let me see. This is actually going to be green, and then red, and then red. And if you're asking why am I putting it red right there, why am I putting it red? It's because this was our highest high right here. It had the most strength right there. And then right here, it went lower, lower strength, and then lower strength right there. And then it dropped. So higher high, lower high, dropped. And then we come right here. Oh, okay, this is too much. I'm gonna just erase it. Then we come right here and we come right here to this, and you have similar situation. Only thing, it's a little bit different. All right, so you got the high, which is green. That's the resistance. First test, and then after that you get second test. This one is a lower high. It's the one where it wakes up, and you could even say, so like look right here. This is, I'll show it to you real quick. We'll do it like this. This is a lower high from that, and this is a lower high, and then this is a lower low. We got a lower high again right here, and then we have a higher high right here. The trend is starting to change. That's when it started to wake up right there. Well, it woke up right here, but we're talking about that resistance level right there. I could break it down to you in smaller things where you look at it and it's like, okay, that's the higher high, higher low, higher low. Um, these are all like downtrend, and then you get this high right there. This one, wake up. Then you get another one right there, wake up, and then it goes down and it forms that lower low. Like you get the test of resistance, then you get the test of support. And with that test of support, We get a higher high right there. Uptrend is in play right now. Then we get another one right there, a higher low, and then we get a higher high. The trend is still going. And then we start to get right here, lower high, but it's a lower high with this one. This one didn't get violated. This is the thing, like it has room all the way down here. It's got room all the way to come all the way down here to violate the trend. The trend is still good. And we could put that as white because it's like more like consolidation. It's just within this range right here. And these are all lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And it comes up around and it makes this the higher high. Then we get this right here, which is a higher low. And this is the area that we're at right now, trying to target where you're going to sell above this candle right here. You're aiming to go for the higher high. You're aiming to be part of the trend. That's why I said like getting over this. I think you already pointed it out that you wanted over 27, you wanted 25, and over that level. It's gonna break this area of resistance. I mean, it shows strength right here because this. All right, this was support. Let me change this color. It shows strength because what happened was it like shot up into this resistance area right here and it held it inside of it. It didn't do like this, like a clean thing. This is just the retest of it. And then right now it's trying to support, like right there in front of our face, it's trying to support that box right there. That's what it's trying to do. It is try to support that. And remember, we talked about the range being like 20, 30%, 40%, something like that, some crazy thing. And some crazy number. And this right here led to that one. And then it's still supporting it right here. It still looks good. If I flip this upside down, what does it look like? It looks like a downtrend. So that's a good thing because we're looking at it upside down. And then this is the area where it's coming down to. That's like the ultimate, like the last area right there of where it was coming through. And then you could expect like it's gonna have a bounce back up. Like that's really good resistance right there, that area. But it definitely should take out this right here, coming down into that right there, this one right here. These two lines, that one. It's just it takes patience. It really takes patience because it's like it's just doing its own little thing right now. Um, go down right here and yeah, I mean take profits could be in that area right there, in the upper area right there, and still have this as resistance. It's been tested once. It'll probably get tested again. So like it'll look like this, where once you get support, it comes up again and test it, and then comes back down, and from here ends up breaking and closing inside this. That's what you want to see. You want to see it kind of like test this box and then close. That's what we need. We need a monthly close above this level right here. A monthly close above this level would help out a lot with the trade because that's resistance right there. That's the area that we need supported. We need support inside of resistance. It's kind of like BTC. Where's BTC at? Let's look at it right here. BTC right here was at resistance. BTC right now was at resistance right here. This is what it did all through the night. While I was sleeping, this is what happened. It hit this area, it hit 4 times. A lot of people was like, "Oh, I'm selling it, it's getting out." Came down right here, came up right here, similar to REP. It showed strength by staying in there, but what it did is it dropped back down and then it closed in resistance. That's what we're looking for. REP, the same situation for it to close inside the box. Once it closes, it can go ahead and go outside of resistance. That's what we're looking for. So let's look at REP on some lower time frames. Where is it? Oh my God. Nope. Nope. Oh yeah, we got to go back and find it. I forgot. Oh my God. All right. Binance REP. And then this is where it's at right now. This is a support level right here where it'll support this to take off. And it is not much really this. I mean, we'll go to the day chart to look at it. I don't think there's anything crazy about it on a daily. This is what it looks like on a daily. But it's trying to support that box, and look, it's trying to end this downtrend with that doji candle. Ideally, it can come down to this. If it comes down to this, it should have a. I mean, look, if this thing hits this area right here, it should just shoot up. It should just move. This is a instant like pump area. I mean, it's like instantly. And I think REP trades with leverage, like you were talking about. So right now, a lot of people are probably shorting it and they're gonna pump it. Like they got all the longs out, and now people become bearish on it because of this. And now what's gonna happen is they're gonna do it. This is a reversal pattern too that it has going on right now. It just needs to confirm that like high, I mean low, lower low, higher low. It closes like this. If it closes like that inside the box, your next candle should be your green candle going up, changing the trend. But that's what I see with it right now. And BTC is dropping. Oh my God. It's 10 minutes to the close. All right.